Guys, Phoenix here, and today I am going to be going to my first car meet in the Astra. So yeah, we're going to be setting off in a bit. I'm going to go with Tom Farmery and a couple of other mates. So yes, this is going to be my first ever car meet, see what cars are there, see how interesting this is going to be. My car's not obviously going to be much of a show car because I haven't modded it that much, it's just very simple mods that I've done. So mainly it's just me looking around everyone else's and see what's going on, if anyone's going to do some wheel spins, try and get that on record, and it's going to be an interesting thing to actually just go and enjoy. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video and get to that car meet.
That sounds fucking mad.
You can smell that one.
As well.
I'm filming it in a way.
2 parts in that glass there, I'll break it.
Go.
Look, it's plastic, isn't it?
Vector's going as well.
Nice, next to it. Not the same. Go just both off a dog, drag him out. Let's fucking
Oh, this one's really good. I wonder who.
No way! He's trying to run past. For fuck's sake, come on. Stop being a pussy.
I'm not ready.
There's a blacked out line. When V.G.C kicks in and where's the fucking
Which one is it?
I'm trying to think where.
I've just noticed the skeleton.
Who owns this then?
Yeah.
Here's my favourite car on the show, this RS4 of that. This is the car that I was looking at when I first came in this car.
Yeah.
God, rev it! Look at the Corsa.
Yeah, that's Reese's. Hey.
Okay.
R8 boys.
Whose car is this?
Still no sign of Tim though.
I wonder whose car this is.
Open exhaust. Press the exhaust one. No, it's not up to you.
That is nice.
Oh, look at that. Okay. I don't usually like how this, but when I saw the R8, I just fucking like it. He's definitely a hotbox, this guy. It's a super driver, he's vaping and hotbox the inside of his car, it's just how it works. This guy's a fucking hotbox, look at him.
That sounds like the R8 again. Oh, whose is that? Actually, that one's brilliant.
It's R8.
Oh.
Where's the common number?
Mackey's boys, gotta chill now. Gotta love that VXR over there, Nuremberg edition. Evan's swearing.
Hello, guys.
And then you've got a hydro truck. Damn. Oh. And fireworks. What a nice display to have food to. However, I'm gonna have to go back in a minute because my black box cuts off at 10, so I'm going to set off at 9 just to make sure I get back in time.
That 350 is fucked. How's the cop? Yeah, look, the cops are fucking over there.
Oh yeah.
If you can't see, lads, the cops have pulled them over for doing fireworks. Fucking hell, they've brought 2 cops now, Georgie.
So
They've brought 2 off them instead
Sorry
of
if I
1.
haven't filmed much whilst I've been here. Really haven't had enough time, so this is probably going on PV, but we'll find out. So yeah, going to be heading back.
Noise. Can't really see anything whilst I'm sitting here.
Mate, the fuck. They're pretty much drawing attention to the cops.
Hey up. Hello
Yeah,
there. I need to come to more meets.